In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Document Builder in Smartsheet step by step. If you want to automatically generate documents like contracts, forms, or reports directly from your sheet data, this feature is a huge time saver. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a trigger, create a mapping, and generate documents from a fillable PDF inside Smartsheet. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and go to the sheet where you want to generate documents from. This sheet should already contain the data you want to pull into your document, such as names, dates, project details, or any other fields. Once you're inside the correct sheet, look for the automation options. Next, click on Generate Documents when specified criteria are met. This option allows you to automatically create documents based on conditions you define. It's perfect for workflows like onboarding forms, invoices, agreements, or approvals, where documents need to be created repeatedly. After selecting that option, click on Use Template. Smartsheet provides automation templates to make setup easier and faster. Using a template helps you avoid building the workflow entirely from scratch. Now you'll need to select your trigger. The trigger tells Smartsheet when to generate the document. For example, you might choose when a row is added, when a row is changed, or when a specific column changes to a certain value. Choose the trigger that best matches your workflow. Once you've selected your trigger, click on Add a condition to filter rows. This step is important because it ensures documents are only generated when specific criteria are met. For example, you might only want a document created when a status column changes to approved. Setting conditions prevents unnecessary document creation and keeps your workflow clean. After that, click on Select a Mapping. Document mapping connects the columns in your Smartsheet to fields inside your document. If you don't already have a mapping created, you'll need to create a new one. So go ahead and click on Create New Mapping. This will open the Document Builder interface. From here, click on Create a Document Mapping to begin the setup process. Next, choose Make Documents from a Fillable PDF. This is where you upload or select a fillable PDF that contains form fields. Smartsheet will match the fillable fields in your PDF with columns from your sheet. Make sure your PDF is properly formatted with fillable form fields before uploading it, otherwise the mapping won't work correctly. Click Next to move forward. You'll now see the mapping screen where you connect each PDF field to the appropriate Smartsheet column. For example, map the name field in your PDF to the name column in your sheet, the date field to your date column, and so on. Carefully review each mapping to ensure the data flows correctly. Once you've finished mapping all necessary fields, click Done. This saves your document mapping configuration. Your automation workflow is now connected to your document template. From this point forward, whenever your trigger conditions are met, Smartsheet will automatically generate a document using the data from that specific row. This eliminates manual copy and paste, reduces errors, and saves a significant amount of time, especially if you're generating documents frequently. And that's how you use Document Builder in Smartsheet to automatically generate documents from your sheet data. It's a powerful feature for teams managing contracts, HR forms, client deliverables, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet automation guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.